Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? So today I have an off, and the reason behind my off is that we've been shooting continuously for about 5 to 6 days, and we did morning shifts and night shifts. So today I have an off and I was wondering what should I do. So right now I'm gonna plan my day out with you guys. So firstly, I've not met my friend since a long time, एंड हमारी बात हो रही है कि हम लोग यहाँ जाएंगे वहाँ जाएंगे, बट नहीं हो पा रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ माई बिजी शेड्यूल. सो टुडे आई थिंक आई एम गोना मीट कीशा and I really want to have pizza. I haven't had like pizza for a long time, so I'm gonna have pizza with her and probably chill around a little bit. And she also got her new scooty, so probably gonna ask for a ride. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna call her and I'm gonna meet her and I'm gonna roam around and chill today. A long time since I played my piano, so I'm gonna show you how I set it. 0 to 0. This is my piano and also guys, as you all know that I'm studying also, and my subjects are getting so interesting. I gave my semester a few days back, and now they have started with like the preparation of second semester, and it is so interesting. Do you all want to know like some parts of it? Wait, let me show you. Notes from my history of art subject, and we are studying about like all the old paintings and the era, this prehistoric art, this ancient art, and all information about how civilization happened and how messages were portrayed through paintings to the next generation, whatever. This is the medieval art. We're talking about 500 1400, like that time. Wow, it's so interesting. Guys, I called Keisha and she said she's gonna be here in a while, and I'm so excited because we are going out and chilling after a long time. So before she comes, let's have some meal so that I'm all fresh and ready to go. Oh, but I forgot to tell you guys about something. So guys, there's this new product that I really want to try. So it's the Wow Life Science Organic Apple Cider Vinegar. And I've always heard about apple cider vinegar कि कितना अच्छा होता है वो आपके लिए. It's so healthy and it's so good for your skin, your body and everything. That's why I'm really looking forward to use this, and let's try this. So all we have to do is take some warm water and few ml of the apple cider vinegar. So it comes with this, so you can measure. This ACV is raw, unfiltered and unpasteurized with mother of vinegar. It is antiviral, antifungal, antiseptic and anti-glycemic. Guys, I've always told you that I really like Wow products because they are manufactured in India. Also guys, there's a QR code right here. Every product of Wow has a QR code. Like in this, the bottle, behind the bottle there is the QR code which you can scan using any scanner, and you can check the authenticity of the product. All products of Wow are available on Wow, Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. The links will be in the description box. And guys, Wow also has an app. You can check that out. It's very easy to navigate the app. Wow also has an app which you can easily download from Play Store or Apple Store, any of them, and you get app specific offers, so check that out too. Guys, use my coupon code AnushkaSain20 and get 20% off. Also check out buywow.in for Wow summer offers from 24th to 26th January 2021. So guys, I just had the apple cider vinegar. Now I'm gonna wait for 20 minutes before my next meal. So by the time I'm gonna wait, I am going to go and get ready to meet Keisha. So see you. I'm almost ready to meet Keisha, and I'm wearing a play suit today, so I'm very excited to meet her and chill today. But thank you so much for watching the video. Take care and lots of love. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.